It's nice to see you all. I should not, but let me have the pleasure to say that a nice gathering. It's a motivational talk. I thought, let me share few points, because this is the corona period, the period which has blocked the life of people in the house. Legs are not free, mind is not free, all are moving in the garden of disappointment. All are packed in the house, having a question, what will happen and when will happen. Somebody is saying that corona will become the lifestyle, corona will go long way. We all are into the uncertainty. What to do? So it comes in my mind, then keep on doing something. Whatever you can do, आप शुरू करें. Whatever is coming in your mind, you attempt it and leave the result on the God. आप शुरुआत करें, आप शुरुआत करें. कोई एक ताकत हमारे आप सबके पीछे है जो कि इंड रिजल्ट तक लेके जाएगा. ऑटोमेटिकली आप काम को अच्छे तरीके से निभा पाएंगे, कर पाएंगे, समझ पाएंगे, रिजल्ट लेके आएंगे. लेकिन आप डोंट सिट साइलेंटली इन द हाउस. यूज योर ब्रेन. Now the brain has become the leg, because leg has been asked to stay in the house, body has been asked to stay in the house, but brain, which is faster than anything, just you are here and in no time you are in USA, reaching to Russia, moving to Italy. The movements of the mind is like that. For example, which I am quoting, taken from the society. During this tough time of the corona epidemic, most of the people started manufacturing mask. ठीक है भाई, bring the cloth and make the mask. This is the social requirement, and thereafter individual requirement, and then it is the collective requirement, and it is the requirement of dire need कि हम सबको मास्क बांध के रखना है. ये तो दुनिया ने कह दिया, लेकिन मास्क है कहाँ? तो लोगों ने, पॉजिटिव थिंकर्स ने सोचा कि आज बहुत डिफिशियंसी है, so let us go and make the mask. Few people started online tuition. Mind is engaged. See, controlling the mind is not holding the cow in a piece of wood. No, you cannot. So for that you have to keep your mind engaged. Before it starts thinking negative and negative, you take over the mind and do some work. As I said, if you are not able to do anything, you go for the online tuition. Dude, even you are not able to do anything, you start doing something in your building itself for the benefit of the people with whom you are staying. Respecting the nouns. I come across that few people started teaching silai and kadhai. So talking about only corona, corona, corona and corona, they diverted the mind of the people into positive direction. ठीक है भाई, 10 लोग आप सिलाई बुनाई कढ़ाई सीखना चाहते हो, 2 गज की दूरियों पे बैठ जाइए और इस तरीके से सिलाई कढ़ाई बुनाई शुरू करिए. Few people declared that themselves a free volunteers. They started serving the society, supplying the food, grains, cooked, uncooked, and they taken it in the open society and distributed, and taken care of thirst and hunger of at least 100 people, 10 people, but you kept your mind engaged. I am seeing that professionals, they are busy into webinars, free of cost. Every time money is not important. This is time where you have to keep your mind in your control and it should be positive. So they said that, okay, I am sitting in house, what to do? How many time to fight with the family member? Better to start webinars. Then 10 professionals through the net channel, they chosen the topic and started sharing their thoughts, opinions, and somehow they found that how to face the new challenges coming in the general society, personal life and industrial society, in our professional life. Then you are becoming rich by knowledge. Otherwise, what you will do? Sitting in house, sleep, quarrel, demotivate yourself and your family member, create negative environment. What you are going to gain? Nothing. But if you start doing like this, and many more things are there. I am running short of time because of certain reason. Much time cannot be given. These are the small tips I am also giving to my citizens, listeners, audiences, who he and who she may be, that don't get disappointed. Don't negativism come and touch to you. Keep on doing something. Hair cutting. Family member is cutting the hair of each other. And what to do? So think that challenges brings the new practices. Problems is having solution, but you have to recognize it. And if you do something, keep on doing something, you will realize that somebody is helping you, motivating you. Who is he and who is she? She is the Almighty. She is the power, supreme power, who are attached and connected to your mind and brain and soul. They inspires you and they give a blinks that yes, you are on the right path. And if you are on the wrong path of the disappointment, atmosphere of demotivation, you are going to do some dangerous work in your life. It says, no, don't do. Do it like this. It is up to you to catch all these things or leave it or ignore it. But God always gives inspiration, blinking your mind that do this, don't do this. Positive thought, negative thought, all kind of thought will come. But which thought I should take, consider in my life is my choice. That is positive thing. So आप शुरू करें और चलते चलें, कुछ ना कुछ करते रहें। आपको कोई ना कोई अच्छे इंस्पायरेशन के रूप में, वो चाहे गॉड हो या गॉड किसी महापुरुष के द्वारा, ही विल कीप ऑन इंस्पायरिंग यू टू डू द गुड वर्क। Thus you keep yourself active, smart and a challenge facer all the time. That much in this video. फिर हम और मोटिवेशनल वीडियो में आपको मिलेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।